So in this project, we have electrical space on the left side, and then we have like another one on the right side, and then this is kind of, in between. You got some office spaces down on the bottom and at the top. So if we just want to go in here and say grab an area, a fill region, and we can start drawing a little box around here to about there, include this. We'll bring it around, over, and bingo. So once you hit OK, it'll fill it in. And if you click on this region, you can see over here on the right-hand side, 13,740 square feet. So this is a quick, easy way to kind of get an estimate based on the square footage of your building. And like I said, the best part of this is that if for some reason this thing changes, like let's say you come in here and maybe these rooms get taken into the electrical room, well, you just drag that down and all of a sudden your new area is updated. So I can do this again with this over here. Let's do another region, and we're going to take, say, this electrical room, and maybe let's just assume that this is all electrical room for some reason. Hit OK. Now this space will take both of these areas and add it together. So you have 1,645 square feet of electrical space in this area. So this is a great tool to use if you're in the beginning of a project and you just want to estimate things. My purposes right now is to say, hey, this, let's say like this orange space over here is a type A light fixture. So I'm going to use a legend here to say that everything in here is going to be this type of light fixture. But along that line, I will take this square footage, use this light fixture, and calculate the assumed loads of it to put into my estimates. That way I can get a good ballpark as to how much power it's going to lighting, and then I could do this again for receptacles to give us a good idea to see if our transformers upstreams are even sized remotely close. So hopefully this will speed up your workflow a little bit, give you some tools to work with in regards to getting some good estimates or even just showing a really good layout. Doing zones with this is awesome. So use the filled regions. You realize that there's other information on the side that you can read off of it that can help you speed up your work. All right, cool. Thanks. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.